All right, hold up. Let me tell you how this one actually shocked me. I've been trading gold for years, blowing accounts, revenge trading, the whole drama, and then one random night I threw this little thing called Croesus Gold EA V1.20 MT4 on a live $1,000 account, just to see if it's another one, fake promise. Fast forward 32 days and I'm sitting here staring at plus 31.56% growth. I've got this fresh download of the Croesus Gold EAV 1.20 MT4 right here in my downloads folder, zipped up nice and tight for easy delivery. Just a quick double click on that zip file and boom, it unpacks into a clean folder with the main EX4 file, user manual, and set file all ready to roll. No fuss, no complicated setup. It's literally drag and drop simple for anyone who's ever installed an indicator on MT4. If you're new to this, trust me, the Croesus Gold EAV 1.20 MT4 makes it feel like child's play. Okay, now that we've got the Croesus Gold EAV 1.20 MT4 installed and humming on my demo account, wait, actually, I went straight to live with a modest $1,000 start just to test the waters. Let's talk real results because nothing sells a bot like cold, hard, verified stats. I'm pulling up my FX book here, where I've linked my entire trading history for full transparency. And whoa, check this out. Over the last 32 days since February 17th, this bad boy racked up a whopping 31.56% growth on the real account, turning that initial deposit into serious gains without a single sleepless night on my end. Let me break it down for you beginners. Profitability sits at a rock-solid 60%, meaning out of 10 trades, 6 winners, which is way above average for gold scalpers. The average win clocks in at about $42.57 per trade, while losses are capped tight at minus $28.30 thanks to that smart fixed stop loss. The Croesus Gold EAV 1.20 MT4 builds in right from the jump. And get this, total pips netted, a massive 21,205.6. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD moves. The drawdown? Only 0.91% absolute, with a max of 3.49%. So your heart stays in your chest even during those choppy sessions. Risk of ruin is negligible at under 1%, and the Sharpe ratio of 0.25 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings. Oh, and commissions? Zilch on my broker, but even if yours charges, the profit factor of 2.26 more than covers it. Basically, for every dollar risked, you're pulling in over $2 back. I've been trading manually for years, and let me tell you, the Croesus Gold EAV 1.20 MT4's full automation feels like having a pro trader on autopilot. Focusing on gold-pointed entries with trailing stops that lock in those greens before reversals hit. This month's analytics, up 14.05% already in November, with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're eyeing consistent 30% plus monthly hauls on gold, this is the bot that delivers without the hype. All right, shifting gears to the backtesting side, let's go to the MT4 report tab on the Croesus Gold EAV 1.20 MT4, where I've run it over 3,084 modeled ticks from August 2025 data, and the results are crisp. Total net profit of $27,900.04 on a $10,000 start, with gross profits at $97,502, crushing gross losses of negative $70,202 for that healthy edge. Win rate? 78% on shorts especially, average trade length about 19 minutes for quick scalps, and max drawdown under 34% relative. Solid for high-frequency gold plays. No red flags here that'd make me hesitate on live deployment. So, wrapping this up, if the Croesus Gold EAV 1.20 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's a spot for real traders chatting Croesus Gold EAV 1.20 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. All right, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.